Labor law in HR, a complete overview. Receipt. What is labor law? Labor law is a set of legal rules and regulations that govern the relationship between employers and employees. In HR, these laws ensure fair treatment, safety, and justice at the workplace. Balance scale. Why labor law is important in HR. HR function. Relevant labor law focus. Recruitment and hiring. Equal opportunity, anti-discrimination. Employment contracts. Terms of service, job roles, salary, notice periods. Wages and benefits. Minimum Wage Act, Bonus Act, Provident Fund, Gratuity. Working Hours and Leave. Factories Act, Shops and Establishments Act. Safety and Welfare. Industrial safety laws, Sexual harassment laws, POSH. Discipline and Termination. Industrial Disputes Act, Standing Orders. Employee Rights. Trade Union Act, Maternity Benefit Act. Conflict resolution. Grievance redressal, labor courts, dispute settlements. India. Major labor laws in India for HR. 1. Factories Act, 1948, ensures health, safety and welfare of workers. 2. Minimum Wages Act, 1948, mandates minimum wage rates. 3. Payment of Wages Act, 1936, regulates timely wage payments. 4. Industrial Disputes Act, 1947, governs layoffs, strikes, disputes. 5. Employees Provident Fund Act, 1952, Social Security for employees. 6. ESI Act, 1948, medical benefits to workers. 7. Maternity Benefit Act, 1961, maternity leave and benefits. 8. POSH Act, 2013, prevents sexual harassment at workplace. Adult Briefcase. HR's role in complying with labor law. Heavy checkmark. Draft legal employment contracts. Heavy checkmark. Ensure safe and inclusive work environment. Heavy checkmark. Maintain registers and compliance documents. Heavy checkmark. Handle disciplinary action legally. Heavy checkmark. Stay updated with new labor codes. Heavy checkmark. Train managers on legal workplace practices. Heavy checkmark. Mediate internal disputes effectively. Lightbulb. New labor codes, India, recent update. India has consolidated 29 labor laws into 4 labor codes for simplification. 1. Wages Code. 2. Social Security Code. 3. Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code. 4. Industrial Relations Code. These aim to make compliance easier for HR and employers. Receipt summary for HR interviews or exams. Labor law in HR is essential to ensure that employment practices are legal, ethical, and fair. It helps HR professionals manage hiring, wages, safety, grievances, and employee rights in compliance with national labor standards.